Hello, this is Ashee from Crafting with Ashee and welcome to this video. Thank you for dropping by. This is the card I have to share with you today. It's this lovely little basket full of all sorts of crafty goodness, and then it says sending you some get well cheer. And what could be better to make you feel better than a little basket full of crafty goodness? So let's get started. This is a stamp set, Cheerful Basket. We're going to use the basket, the crafty stuff and the sentiment here, but obviously you could have it with apples. I've done one before with the hearts and the little kitty cat, so all sorts of options for you. We're going to stamp in Memento because I want to colour everything in using the Stampin Blend alcohol markers, which are fast becoming one of my favourite ways to colour in. I just find them so easy to use. I really love them a lot. I mean, I love colouring, really love colouring, and these make it so easy. There we go, lovely. So take that off, set that aside. Okay, bring this back in and I'll show you the colours I'm going to use. Daffodil Delight, I've got some soft suede, I've got some balmy blue, and I've got some crumb cake there. So let me see what else I've got. Whoopsie daisy. And I'm going to bring in some real red as well. So I'm going to do that, and I'll put you on fast forward and I'll see you at the end. Okay, so I coloured everything in, as you can see, and then I cut it out using the matching dies, which are these ones here. They're the full basket dies. Okay, and I also cut out from there's this little string of hearts in here, you can see there, so I cut that out of some real red cardstock, and then I cut our sentiment as well, just cut it out with my trimmer, some basic white. And now we're just going to put some dimension on the back of that quickly. So let me get some of this is our dimensional strips. I'm just going to put a strip on the back, makes it easy. So now we're ready to assemble our card. Our card base is Night of Navy, and I've got two pieces here of basic white, and they both measure 14.35 centimeters by 10. I'm going to put one on the outside and one on the inside for an insert. So let's put this down like that, and then put one on the outside as well. And then here I've got a piece of the lovely linen designer series paper, and this measures just a little bit less. It's 13.85 by 9.5, but all the measurements will be on the blog post on my website, and you can find the link to that in the description box below, alongside all my social media links. So here's my basket, and I've put some dimensional adhesive on the back already, just some ends, the edges of dimensionals. I'm going to put that down like that, get rid of these bits. Ugh. And then we're just going to tuck in our crafty bits, our crafty goodies, so let's do that. Use some Tombow so you can get into all the nooks and crannies. Just tuck that in like that. Lovely. And then I'm going to put our sentiment strip on at the top. And I just want to get my Take Your Pick tool out, if I can find it. Of course, now I want it, it's hiding from me. Sorry for the noise. Here it is. Okay. And I'm just going to put these hearts in various places here. Okay, and then I'm just going to use my Take Your Pick tool just to help me place them. Like that. Lovely. I'm just going to use 3 because I always feel 3 of something looks the best. We can save that heart for another day. And then I've got here some of our new adhesive Milky Dots. Now, last time I used these yellow ones, but I think for contrast, since I'm going to put it on there, I'm going to use the blue this time. So let's see. Well, it's sticking to me. Let's use some small blue ones and see what it's like. You know, I'm going to have one there and one there. Going to have it like that, decorating my handle. So there you go. Those are the 2 cards. I hope you liked them. If you did, I'd be grateful if you could give it a thumbs up so YouTube know. And please don't forget to subscribe to future videos. Thank you again, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye.